What if I told you that you could open a bank account in minutes from the comfort of your own home? No more waiting in line at the bank or filling out endless paperwork. With Revolut, you can get started with your account in just a few simple steps. In this video, we'll be discussing all the documents you need to open a Revolut account. We'll also cover the different types of accounts available and how to choose the right one for you. So, if you're ready to learn more about Revolut and how to get started, keep watching. Have you ever been frustrated with the traditional banking system? Maybe you're tired of waiting in line at the bank or filling out endless paperwork. Or maybe you're looking for a more convenient and affordable way to manage your money. If so, then Revolut is the perfect solution for you. Revolut is a mobile-first banking app that allows you to open an account in minutes and start using it right away. What is Revolut? Revolut is a mobile-first banking app that allows you to open an account in minutes and start using it right away. Revolut is available in over 35 countries and supports over 150 currencies. Revolut offers a variety of features, including the ability to send and receive money instantly, anywhere in the world. The ability to exchange currencies at competitive rates. The ability to set up automatic savings goals. The ability to track your spending and budgeting. The ability to get cashback on your everyday purchases. What documents do I need to open a Revolut account? To open a Revolut account, you will need to provide the following documents: your name, date of birth, and address. A valid photo ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Proof of address, such as a utility bill or bank statement. Once you have submitted your documents, Revolut will review them and verify your identity. Once your identity has been verified, you will be able to create your account and start using it. What are the different types of Revolut accounts? Revolut offers 3 different types of accounts. Standard: the standard account is free to open and use. It comes with basic features, such as the ability to send and receive money, exchange currencies, and set up automatic savings goals. Premium: the premium account costs £6.99 per month. It comes with additional features, such as the ability to get cashback on your everyday purchases, access to airport lounges, and priority customer support. Metal: the metal account costs £13.99 per month. It comes with all the features of the premium account, as well as a metal card, exclusive discounts, and access to concierge services. How to choose the right Revolut account for you. The right Revolut account for you will depend on your individual needs and preferences. If you're just looking for a basic banking account, the standard account is a good option. If you want access to additional features, such as cashback and airport lounges, the premium or metal accounts may be a better choice. Revolut is a great option for anyone looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their money. With Revolut, you can open an account in minutes and start using it right away. If you're considering opening a Revolut account, I recommend taking some time to think about your needs and preferences. Once you know what you're looking for, you can choose the right account for you.